Hi guys, welcome to our new cooking lesson for lazy people. Today I'm going to show you how to make a curry gratin. It's a very delicious recipe but so easy to make. The recipe comes from Kyushu, from the south of Japan, and Japanese people there love to make it when they make curry, because usually when you make curry you make it in bulk, so you have to eat it over 2 or 3 days. And with this recipe it enables you to enjoy your curry the following day in a different manner. It's super easy to make because today we're not going to use fresh curry, we're going to use retort curry because that works too. And you will need only an egg and some cheese to sprinkle on your gratin. Cheese and curry goes so well together. The cheese, you can use any kind of hard type that you like. You don't have, to grate it yourself. If you can buy it already grated, it's not a problem at all. Voila, let's enjoy and make